Khadariya News Bulletin.
A new chapter begins, a new energy rises.
Guidance Program Shiksha Yatra Workshop on 13th January 2026.
Annual Day celebration Istiqbal-e-Ramzan Free bicycle distribution ceremony on 29th January 2026.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome back to Khadariya's News Bulletin, a news platform where knowledge shines, talent rise, and values guide our path. As we step into moments of achievement and spiritual reflection, let us take you through the memorable events that shaped our campus with excellence and purpose. Career Guidance Program Shiksha Yatra Workshop on 13th January 2026. Khadariya conducted a career guidance program in partnership with Shaheen Group of Institutions and Shiksha Yatra. The workshop was led by certified career coach Mr. Shoaib Walai and his team. A special career gallery displayed from more than 99 career options in 6 main fields such as medicine, journalism, commerce, arts, and sustainability. Students learn about different career paths, required qualification, job responsibilities, and how to set clear goals. In his speech, Mr. Shoaib Walai explained that success depends not only on hard work, but also on choosing a career that matches one's interest and market demand. The program was very useful and helped the students gain clarity, direction, and confidence about their future careers.
Annual Day celebration Istiqbal-e-Ramzan Khadariya celebrated its annual day on 9 February 2026 with theme of Istiqbal-e-Ramzan, welcoming the holy month of Ramadan and celebrating the school's achievements of the year. The program began with a beautiful recitation of the Holy Quran followed by Hamd and Naat, creating a peaceful and spiritual atmosphere. Our headmaster, Janab Rizwan Ahmad Sahib, delivered the welcome address and presented the annual report, sharing the school's academic success and co-curricular achievements.
This year we have given tasks to all the students so that they can have a thorough knowledge about their subject. On this occasion, I thank our correspondent Secretary Sahib for his vision to give quality education to our students.
The chief guest, Janab Muhammad Ismail Said, Executive Committee, members of the Ummiyat and Tiswa. He was honored by the correspondent, Janab Ghani Muhammad Sajjad Parvez Sahib. In his speech, he praised the school discipline, innovation, and dedication to the overall development of students.
ஒரு 2 hours இருந்தேன் பட் நிறைய விஷயங்கள் நான் தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டேன். I have learned many things after coming here. First, hard work and dedication. All the staff members, teachers, particularly management and the committee members, and the hard work and dedication க்கு ஈக்குவலா எதுவுமே கிடையாது. There is an English anecdote. All great men were ordinary men, but with extraordinary amount of hard work and dedication.
Recognition of excellence. Outstanding students and faculty members were honored for their dedication, performance, and valuable contributions to the school's continued success.
Thematic cultural highlights. English skit by Miss Fatima Sadaf and team emphasized the social importance of a collective zakat system. Urdu drama by Miss Tasneem and Mrs. Hajira focused on fasting, Taraweeh, and developing empathy for the poor. Tamil drama by Mrs. Kumari, Mrs. Mutalagi, and Miss Anjali explored the concept of taqwa, honesty, and filial piety. Science kit by Mr. M. Kafil Ahmad demonstrated scientific truths reflected in the Holy Quran and encouraged research-based learning. Students also showcased their linguistic talents through speeches in Urdu, English, and Tamil, along with poetic recitation. Welcoming Ramadan, Janab Hafiz Fayaz Sahib announced the start of the Hifz Plus program for grade 6 students. From the next academic year, 10 selected students will receive special training to complete Hifz within 3 years, along with their regular school studies. Inshallah, students will be chosen based on their interests and the support and commitment of their parents. The program was smoothly hosted by Mr. M. Kafil Ahmad and carefully organized by our Vice Principal Ms. Fahima Banu. The event ended with a vote of thanks by Mr. Muhammad Ali followed by the national anthem.
Free bicycle distribution ceremony. On 29 January 2026, Khadria organized a bicycle distribution program for 11th standard students under a government welfare scheme. The program began with Qiraat by Janab Hafiz Fayaz Ahmad Sahib. Headmaster Janab Rizwan Ahmad Sahib welcomed the gathering. The bicycles were distributed by Janab Sayyid Nisar Ahmad Sahib, Senior Executive Member of the Khadria Muslim Education Society. In his speech, he spoke about the importance of punctuality, regular attendance and education. He said that this scheme is an investment in the students' future and will help them continue their studies and serve the nation. The event ended with a vote of thanks by Mrs. Sandhya. Conclusion. These remarkable events reflect the unwavering commitment of Khadria towards academic excellence, spiritual enrichment, student welfare and career empowerment. Thank you for watching.